Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go through the new look and feel for Gladinet Cloud. As usual, you would go to the Gladinet homepage and log in with your own Gladinet team account. As you log in, you are looking at the web-based file manager, and as you can see here, the default is the blue theme. You can notice by the two blue vertical bars, and you can also change to different theme that you like the gray theme or the classic theme that you have. You can also dock the two side panels to the side if you don't need them, like the left-hand side tree view. If you don't need it, you can close it. And the toolbar buttons are the same. You can have the upload or create folders, and also the file and folder breadcrumb address bar on the top. And as you hover over each and every row of file and folder, you can see the hover icon are the actions you can work on. And as you click into each and every folder, you can see the right hand side is the folder's detailed view. And if you click on a file, the same thing would happen. You're going to see the detailed file view on the right hand side. So that's the overview of the web browser-based file manager, new look theme, the blue theme. And now it's clicking into the management console, and if you want to go back to the file manager, you click on this web file, web folder icon, and you can go back. And now looking into the management console, the first thing you probably want to check out is the team folder. And if this is the first time you use the system, you may not have any team folder because you haven't set it up yet. I've been using this for quite a long time, and you can see I have many team folders. The concept here is you can pick a folder of your own and you can publish that to the whole team and assign team members to it. And the storage manager is as usual. You can mount different cloud storage into it, and then there's a default one you pick. The user manager, you can define the users on your team. You can add them, you can change different settings for them. The guest user has less limitation, less privilege. The only folder they are limited to use is the share folder you gave them. So it's good for you, give an external user, not your day-to-day team member, but an external user. The group policy is very much like the concept the Windows group policy concept you know. You can define a bunch of settings and apply those settings to the scope of your team, including the devices they are using and the settings on the native clients they are using. And the group policies are organized into 4 different sections. You can click open and close. The cloud administrator are the delegate administrators, and it's good for a bigger team that you may want to define multiple administrators to help you instead of just managing everything on your own. The advanced section you can define if you are using Active Directory, so you can define the LDAP, and if you don't have LDAP, that's fine. Install the file server agent, and then the file server agent can proxy out the Active Directory calls for you. Or if you want to do the audit trace, you can see what changes has been made to the system here, or you can look at the file change history to see who changed what files. So it's good for auditing purposes. So with that said, we're now going back into the web browser-based file manager, the familiar 3-panel view. And you can also manage the folder permissions here. If you assign this folder to different team members, you can define subfolders, the folder permissions for subfolders. You can also, share files or folders directly over the internet to other users. Those users If they are not your team members, they have read-only permission. But if they are your team members, you can assign full or read-only permission. Or if they are guest users, you can assign both read-only and full control permission. You can also manage the team folder here if you are the team administrator. And now what we are going to look is if your browser is a modern HTML5 drag and drop compliant browser like the Chrome, the Firefox, or IE10, you don't have to use the upload button to do the upload. You can just do straightforward drag and drop upload. So what I'm going to show you here is to multi-select 3 files from a local folder and just drag and drop them directly onto the web browser, and the 3 files will be uploaded immediately. As you can see here, the 3 files showing up inside this web-based file manager, and it's so easy to upload. So I recommend everyone to use like Chrome, Firefox, IE10. It's much easier to upload. And you can see the look and feel is very much like a native browser. We're going to have more sessions to cover the native clients like the desktop client, the Mac client, iOS, Android, Windows Phone client, and this session is just focused on the new look and feel of the Gladinet Cloud. Thanks everyone.